Good morning. How are you? It's so good to see you. We'll sing and be happy 'cause we're all here together again. Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome back to my backyard. We are going to do our teacher book. We are going to review a little bit more of our long O sound. But yeah, just a normal Thursday. It's going to be quick. You know, our Thursdays aren't usually very long on the teacher rug. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's take a look at our calendar. What month are we in? Still the month of May. We are going to be counting all the way down to here. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now, take a look at that 14. What does it look like? What does a 14 look like? A 1 and a 4. Now, what does that 1 represent? It's a group of 10. And what does this 4 represent? 4 extra ones. Very good. How many days are in your week? 7. Let's sing them. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 7 days in your week. How many months in your year? 12. Let's sing those. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. Very good. Now, yesterday was Wednesday. What does Wednesday start with? W, and W says w, w, w. Yesterday was Wednesday. Today is Thursday. Thursday has 2 sounds at the beginning, or two letters at the beginning, 1 sound. What sound does it make? What letters? T and H. T and H together says very good. Yesterday was Wednesday. Today is Thursday. Tomorrow will be Friday. It's Friday. It's Friday. It's Friday. What does Friday start with? F, and F says, put those teeth on your lip. Friday. Very good. Friday. It's Friday. Alrighty. Let's go ahead and take a look at our essential question for the week. We are talking about natural resources, and our essential question says, how can things in nature be used to make new things? How can things in nature be used to make new things? Alright, let's take a look in our teacher book. Alright, we have a little story to read. We always have 2 stories in the back of our big book. And this one is no different. The genre of this story is an informational text. And remember, an informational text gives real information about different things. And this one is going to give us some real information about how things are made. So an informational text, is it fiction or nonfiction? It's nonfiction. It means it's real, right? Okay, so we're going to go ahead and take a listen. The name of this story is Nature Artists. Let's slide over a little bit here. Okay. Nature Artists. Native American artists have been making things from nature for many years. This sculptor carved a mask out of wood. And this says the sculptor paints a mask. This artist uses grass to weave into a basket. The artist adds rows of designs. The basket has a bowl shape. It can hold many things. What would you put in the basket? Native Americans have weaved baskets for thousands of years. clay is found in the earth. It is thick and sticky. Artists use clay to make pots and other objects called pottery. See how a clay pot is made. It says the artist shapes the clay with her hands, and the artist starts to form the pot. The pot is baked in the oven. The pot dries out and becomes hard. The artist paints the pot. The finished pot is a work of art. And it all starts from this sticky, gooey glob right here, and it eventually turns into this. Isn't that crazy? This artist weaves a wool rug. The designs on the rug will tell a story about the beauty of nature. What beautiful things in nature do you see? It says this artist uses a loom. Now, how fun. So we read this one called Nature Artists, and then yesterday we read this story, and it was called Spider Woman Teaches the Navajo. And what did the Spider Woman teach the Navajo? Do you remember? She taught them how to do what? Use a loom to weave. How fun. So, in this story that was passed down generation from generation, is actually got some truth behind it. In Nature Artists, they said that those artists also used a loom. The one woman was using straw to make a basket, but you can also use yarn or wool, like the other woman was making for her rugs. Isn't that neat? Alrighty. So we are going to play the game today called Phoneme Substitution. And remember, phoneme substitution is when we take away one of the sounds and change it out with another sound to make a new word. Okay? We've played this game a few times since we've been in my backyard, and when we were at school. We've played this game a few times. Alright, so here we go. Here's the first word. Say nose. Now say nose. Oh, I'm sorry. Instead of the z, change it to t. Nose. Drop the z and change it to t. What's your new word? Note. Note. Very good. All right. Say hope. Hope. Change p to What word do you have? Hope. Change the p to home. Very good. Say low. Low. Change the O to A. What's your word? Low. Change the O to A. Lay. Very good. Say road. Road. Good. Change the D to ol. The L sound. Ol. Road. Change the D to ol. Roll. Good. All right, here we go. Say slide. Slide. Now change the D to S. What word do you have? Slice. Good. And your last one. Say show. Show. Now change the O to E. Show. Change the O to E. What's the word? She. Good. Very good. All right. Let's do some review on our letter sounds. I'm going to say the letter sound. You are going to show me with your... Actually, you know what? Let's do it backwards. I'll show you the letter sound with my hand. I'm sorry, the letter with my hand. And you guys, out loud, tell me the sound it makes. Are you ready? All right, let's see if you remember. Ah, ah. Now, I'm going to do this one again, but now make it long. O, O. Good. What is it? T, t, t. All right, next. Good. Ready? Short. Ah, good. You ready? Long. A, good. Good. Ooh, good. And last one, long. I. What's the short one? Yeah, good. Good, good. Alrighty. We are going to review our sight words real quick. What is this word? Look. Look at your teacher when she's talking. Look. Look. Alright, next one. Where. Where are you going? Where are you going? Alright, we only have just one more thing to do. I told you, Thursdays are so short, man. Alright, so, let me find in my book here. Alright, we are going to look at these pictures here. And you are going to say the name of each picture. And then what I want you to do is I want you to spell it just out loud. You don't need a piece of paper for these. Now, these are all long O words. So what do they need at the end of the word to make it a long O sound? A helper E, right? So don't forget your E at the end. All right, so listen as I say this word. Nose. Nose. Okay, spell it out loud. N-O-S-E. Very good. Ready? Rope. Rope. R-O-P-E. Good. This is a robe. 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 R-O-B-E. Good. This is a pole. 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 Spell it. P-O-L-E. Good. This is a bone. B-own. Bone. Spell it. B-O-N-E. Good. And last one. Rose. Rose. R-O-S-E. Good. All right, now we've got some words down here for you to read yourself. Go ahead and take a look at these words. Read them to yourself, and then we'll go over them. She thinks she knows the answers. She does not. All right, you ready? Oak, joke. O's, hose. Home, home. Own, cone. Ope, hope. Oat, vote. Very, very good. Alrighty, guys. Last thing I have for you. We do not have your turn practice page today, but we do have our sentence of the day. Alright, it is Thursday. So if you still have this paper, pull out one of your sentence starters. I see the dog. She is barking. Okay, so write your sentence, draw your word. Write your sentence, draw your pictures. Make sure that your sentence begins with a capital letter, that you have end punctuation, and you have those finger spaces between the words. Once you have written your sentence, go ahead and draw that picture. If you have not done your iReady reading, please do it. You have a long O teacher assignment in your iReady. So go ahead and do that. Do your super best. And then if you've got some extra time, you can do some of the other lessons just for extra practice, okay? All right, I think that's all I have for you. I hope you have a great day. And tomorrow is Friday. It's Friday. It's Friday. All right, have a great day. I love you. Bye.